Hello everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the iridium crystals. And let me just kill this dude first, and then I'll show you. Okay, so first we will open up our map, and then we will go to this area called Choke Peak area. Now there are multiple locations in this area, like this tall grass, and there are also other areas, many different areas like these ones. So basically you can go there and to maximize your yield, search for weapon and gear creates hidden within these areas. The chests in this area offer the highest chance of containing iridium crystals and can be revisited after they reset every 4 hours. Additionally, keep an eye out for blue storage chests as they may contain more crystals. And that's it for today's video on how to get the iridium crystals in one's human. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if it is, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.